What is up, you guys? Hello and welcome to another video. Hello and welcome to my kitchen here in lovely Playa del Carmen, Mexico. My name is Jordan Moyer, and today I'm going to be bringing you a recipe for anabolic, macro-friendly, cheesy chipotle chicken and vegetable burritos. Anabolic, cheesy chipotle chicken burritos. Cheesy chipotle chicken burritos. Cheesy chipotle chicken and vegetable burritos. There we go. So basically I've been living out here in Mexico for a few months, and I've been dieting the whole time. The way that I diet is I just like to eat foods that I enjoy and still kind of track the macros of them. Okay, so these burritos are really clutch, super easy to make. They're about 900 calories. Let me see right here. I'll throw the exact macros right there for us, but it's 893 calories, 85.2 protein, 41.3 fat, and 48.2 carb. Okay, what you're gonna need for it is chicken. I do have just some chicken here. These fillets here are really nice. You open them up, it's like a flat piece of chicken filleted right out. It was 128 pesos for almost 0.9 kgs, so pretty standard pricing. We also have these burritos here, Tia Rosa burritos. For 100 grams of them, it's about, let me see here, 326 calories. Okay, in my frying pan, we're going to cook the chicken up. I'm just going to turn that heat way down right now for a second. I got it heating up, but the last ingredient is this low fat, it says, well, it's low moisture part skim mozzarella cheese, but the content for 100 grams here is 260 calories. You got 21 protein, 21.4, and 17.9 fat. Okay, so I got this at Walmart. You can typically get it at Walmart. There's a low-fat mozzarella cheese available for you. Okay, so aside from that, we're just going to use some random spices that I find around the kitchen. Where are we here? So, I don't cook with oil. I usually use cooking spray, and I do have a nice coconut flavored one right here. So I used half this pack yesterday, cooked up to about 300 grams. We're going to be using about 200 grams of chicken for this today. So I think that this will probably cook up to the same amount, 300 grams, if not a little bit less. So I'll just cook it all. And one spice I like to throw on everything out here is this tajin stuff. Okay, it's kind of sweet, but it's chili powders as far as I know. It goes really well with pretty much everything. Aside from that, we will be using some sea salt. And then aside from that, we have some black pepper, garlic, and chili, and onion, cebolla. Okay, while we let that cook, I'll actually introduce one more ingredient. Have this stir fry mixed vegetables. As you can see, there's broccoli, onions, bless, oh, pepper or onion in there. But yeah, broccoli, onions, mushrooms, carrots. I don't know what some of these things are, but anyway, good mix of vegetables. Gonna use about half of it. Grams. There's 500 grams in here, and it says that in 100 grams there is, or in the whole thing, there is 100 calories in this whole huge package of vegetables. So personally, I don't track it. You can track it if you like. Boom. Okay, so putting together a little bit of an edit with my phone. So what I'll be doing is showing you guys that actually right now. Coming along nicely. I just want everything to brown up a little bit more. And then what I'm going to do is put it in this bowl, because typically there's a little bit too much for 2 burritos when I make this, right? But then I'm going to put the cheese in the frying pan, boom, brown it a little bit. I put a little bit of that along with the burritos there, and then I put the vegetables and the chicken mix in there. Then I'm going to fry those burritos in there so they're nice and crunchy on the outside as well. And there we have it. That's how we start to put the burritos together. As you can see, we have the ingredients here, cooking away. Boom, boom, burritos ready. What I'll do is I'll finish up the edit and I'll show you guys what the finished product looks like. Ooh. Okay, as you can see, I'm using my phone to kind of get some other clips here. That camera is perched on a very precarious chair. Here, I guess I'll show you. Here we are, me looking at me. Yeah. See why I think it's a little dangerous? But yeah, that's how that camera's set up. So hopefully I'll order another tripod on Amazon. They're like $100, so I mean it's not bad, but could be better ideally. This one here was only like 10, I think, so that was why I got that one. But basically the trick with these is you just want to brown them on each side. I tend to throw down that folded side first, just so that you know what I mean, that fold will get browned and a little bit more rigid so it doesn't come apart. Ideally, I'd like to press the other sides of it too. If there was like a burrito press, that would be a great idea, eh? Oh, by the way, video sponsored by Isotori Inc. Okay, great products, I use them every day. Code Jordy15 saves you on isotori.com. is also available on Amazon. Mostly available in America. If you're in Canada and you're trying to get it, just let me know. See what I can do for you to help you out. But use that code if you're in the States or somewhere it's available on Amazon. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram at JordanWarrior88 and let me know you did it. Okay. But this is pretty much done, so give me a quick second. I'm going to wrap it up. And 10 out of 10, I do recommend cleaning up as you go. Makes it a lot easier for me. I just have a couple dishes to do now and put these jars away. Okay, so there you have it. anabolic cheesy chipotle chicken burritos. Cheesy chipotle chicken burritos. Yeah, cheesy chipotle chicken and vegetable burritos. There we go. Give me 1 second here. Boom, and there we have it. Always recommend a fork. Because there's going to be some extras left over. Sometimes it can be a little messy too. I like the chipotle on the plate for dipping. You could literally eat this 2 to 3 times a day and hit your physique goals, most likely. I'd be 160 to 240 grams of protein and about 1,800 to 2,700 calories. So good. So that's going to be it for today's video. If you made it all this way, make sure drop a comment, let me know you did. Let me know if you like videos like this. If you plan on trying this recipe, also let me know. And I really need some help looking for ideas, so if there's anything you want to see made macro friendly, please let me know, and then I'll be more than happy to kind of make an episode about that, okay? But until next time, see you guys later, and I'm going to put some videos popping up around here, so click them, watch out, check out the rest of the channel. There's full workouts, everything you can need, plus I'm going to incorporate some travel stuff. So if you're excited for the travel videos, drop a comment there to let me know as well. I've got one coming up, it's like 5 tips for if you wanted to travel in Mexico on a low budget or just move here. All right, see you.